Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Blondie. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy, simple dish for dinner. It's chicken. So to get started, first what I did was I have right here some boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins. They're organic. I get them at Costco. So basically I put them in a pot, covered them in water, and then I threw in some chicken bouillon, some granulated onion, and some garlic powder. And then I let it come to a boil. Once it came to a boil, I turned the flame on low and I timed it for 20 minutes. And then I drained the water and then I just pulled the chicken apart with a fork. And this is the outcome, okay? So this is like a very easy, simple dish. So if you are like trying to figure out what to make for dinner, this is ideal. And my kids love this. So if you have kids, your kids will love this too. So I'm actually going to be using some cut up white onion and some Roma tomatoes. Those are about 4. I'm going to include all of the measurements I used in the description box below. So right here I have my pan heating up. So I'm going to go ahead and add some cooking spray like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some extra virgin olive oil like that. Okay. And next I'm going to go ahead and add my onion. That. And my tomatoes. Just like that. I'm going to add some Lawry's garlic salt. I'm going to go ahead and mix this around so that the extra virgin olive oil and the garlic salt can combine. And those flavors together are really good. Like I love all my vegetables. I always saute my vegetables in extra virgin olive oil and garlic salt. It comes out delicious. So give that a try. So this is going to cook up pretty fast. We're just wilting down our tomatoes and our onions, and you're free to use like serrano peppers or like jalapenos. I do if my kids aren't eating this, but my kids will be eating this dish, so that's the reason I'm not adding to it. But it's really flavorful just like this, with like the garlic salt and the olive oil, and then the chicken's already flavored in all of those seasonings. So this is like a really flavorful dish. It's a really fast, like easy dinner, and it like everybody will love this. And this chicken is really tender the way I cook it, so I highly recommend the organic chicken tenderloins from Costco. I only use organic chicken regardless, because like I've tried just the regular and it just, to me it's just nasty. It comes out like tough. It's just the texture, everything is different. Like you can totally tell the difference between organic and non-organic chicken. I don't care what anybody says, I can tell the difference, and the taste too. So it's worth the extra money. Like you get what you pay for. See how this is just breaking down? So you can serve this, like I like to serve this with like rice on the side, sometimes like some vegetables. I'm out of vegetables now besides this, so I gotta go shopping. So this is like pretty much ready to go. See, it's like it's already translucent. So now all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken just like this. Get it all out of there. And then I'm just gonna mix it together. You want all of the vegetables to coat the chicken, and then it just like all the flavors just come together. So this is like really, really good. You could eat this for like an easy like weekday meal. It won't take you long. It literally takes like 20 minutes to cook the chicken, and then all I have to do is dice up the tomato and onion. That takes like 5 minutes. Throw it in the pan, and look at, here we go. We're ready to go. And now I'm gonna just show you like how I serve it. So I'm getting my rice ready, and then we'll have our chicken. And see, this is just like such a simple, easy, flavorful meal. The chicken's like super tender. Like, you guys will just love this. So there we go. See how easy that was? And this is my chicken flavored rice. You can check out my other video to see how I make that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.